Okay, welcome to EasyBee software training videos for pest control software. This video is actually a video concerning our older product called ProServe II service management software. This is a video on how to recover or restore ProServe II if you lose your computer. And you have a backup. Obviously you would need a backup. So what I'm going to do is just start from the beginning here. So here's what we're going to do. So you've been backing up your ProServe II data, and your computer crashed, so you're dead in the water. So here's what you want to do. You want to go to EasyBeeSoftware.com. Okay, let me drop that down. So you want to go to EasyBeeSoftware.com. Once you get to this home page, just click support. If you'll look in support, you'll see ProServe II support page right here. So I'm going to click that link. That's going to take me to the page that we saw earlier in the video. So what you want to do first of all is you want to click this guy or this one. Now I would click this, as this is the newest, latest version. So just click that. It's going to start a download, and what you'll need to do, most likely, you're going to have to allow it to keep it. And then again, keep it anyway. So it just downloaded it. Now I'm just going to simply go to my download folder, and there it is. Now you can take this and put it somewhere else, save it, or do whatever you want to do. But essentially what we need to do is we need to restore the ProServe II system. And this is the first thing we want to do. So if we go back, I'm going to come back to that download, but I want to go to my C drive. Now this is my current C drive. Don't pay any attention to that sequel EasyBee. It has nothing to do with this product, ProServe II. Okay. Now I'm going to go back to where I was in download. Now I'm going to double click this guy. And again, I have to go in and tell it to run anyway. Answer yes. Now it's going to ask for a password. That password is EasyBee, all lowercase. EasyBee. That's all lowercase. Now I'm going to do something just for the heck of it, because I want you to see this. It's EasyBee. EasyBee. That's the password for this product. Okay? Then click OK. It's going to start the installation. Just click Next. Click Next. Agree to the license agreement. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Don't change anything here. Just click Next. Install. Then click Finish. Now, if I go to once I've finished the installation, I'm going to go to Drive C, and you'll see that there is a EasyBee folder that's been created from that installation. This stuff was what was installed. Now, I'm going to kind of go through the motions of restoring. And so let's say I had a backup on an external drive, and you were backing up the entire EasyBee folder. Okay, and that's okay to do that. Or maybe you just backed up the ProServe folder. Either way, what you definitely do not want to do, you do not want to restore this EasyBee folder. The reason why is because we already have a EasyBee folder. Okay? So what you want to do is go into that folder, if that's what you were backing up, It's the ProServe folder is what I want. That's what's important. So what I want to do is click copy. Okay? And I'm going to go back to my drive C. I'm going to go inside my EasyBee folder, and then I'm going to paste. Otherwise, and if you install from the CD, you're going to already have a ProServe folder. Okay? So it can get confusing. So it's best to install the Easy Menu from my website. It's a cleaner installation. And as long as you've backed up the ProServe folder, then that's what's important. Now this particular one had tons of data, had tons of stuff in it. So I'm not going to worry with showing you that. But basically, that's what just got restored. Now yours may not look exactly like this, but the ProServe data just was restored. Now what I'm going to do at this point, when I installed the Easy Menu program, let me see if I can move this over. I don't know if I can or not. But anyway, it created an Easy Menu folder on my desktop. So let me drag it over here so you can, well, hold on a second. Let me get this stuff out of the way. Let me drag this over here so you can see it. You're going to have an Easy Menu folder is going to be created on your desktop. Just double click it, run setup. We're reinstalling ProServe II. Click next. Click I agree. Click client. Now it did put it in the EasyBee ProServe folder, so this is correct. So you can just tab through that. Click install. It's done. Click run. Go into your company, reassign a license if you have one. Enter your password, and I'm in. You can't see it, but I mean I'm actually in. See, so I'm in the program. So then you're good to go. I'm exiting ProServe. Okay.